It was drama galore as residents and traders resorted to planting vegetables on the streets and dumping chicken carcasses on Kariuki Chotara Street. They faulted the county government for failing to repair the roads, whose situation was worsened by the heavy rains. They have now threatened to stop paying taxes.
Na sasa penye imefikia sisi hatutalipa kodi. Kuanzia hii mwezi ingine inakuja hii mwezi ya 5, ajitayarishe ya kwamba sisi hatutalipa kodi kwa sababu sisi tutalipa kodi na hatuoni faida ya pesa zetu.
Elsewhere, over 500 victims of flash floods, including those living with HIV in Maralal, have received supplementary foodstuffs. The donation is part of government's efforts to ensure persons living with HIV continue taking antiretroviral despite being displaced from home.
Mabati tujengea hawa ni wengi, pali mingi tunajua kuna shida. Na tunataka pia kutoa watu wetu kwa ile manyumba kidogo wanakaa.
Meanwhile, a free eye clinic in Tharaka Nithi County has received a high number of residents suffer from eye cataract. The medical camp at Chuka Referral Hospital shows out of 1,000 patients screened, over 400 were found to be suffering from this disorder, which is linked to age as a major contributor.
The thing about cataract, it develops over time. So there are people with early cataracts, people with we call them mature cataracts. Those are the ones usually give priority in operations.
And in Laikipia County, women in Laikipia North Sub-County have been urged to join group ranches to give them impetus in fighting for their land rights, including inheritance.
Among our work, women land rights is a key area of interest, and we talk about women land rights in private land, in public land, but also in community land. In this area where we are in Laikipia North, majority of the land here is community land, and of course we come from a background where women have not had a proper say in the management of community land. They have not had a proper voice, but we are also very excited that there is a new law, the Community Land Act, that actually we can call it is a feminist law in a way.
Finally, the government is in its process of reviewing labor policies and laws to align them to the Constitution. Principal Secretary for the State Department of Labor, Dr. Karanja Kasakon, said the review will help to address recurrent labor disputes, cautioning against the increase in number of strikes at the expense of the economy.
Remember that labor is the main enabler of achievement of the government's Big Four agenda, which include manufacturing, and manufacturing really it's about employment, food security, universal healthcare, and low-cost housing, which we will be very happy if you familiarize yourself with this.